Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will do reading of Unit 9 Myths and Legends. So let's begin. Read the story to know how King Midas got the Midas touch. The kingdom of Phrygia was once ruled by a wealthy king named Midas. He had a daughter and a big kingdom. He loved his daughter the most. He was also known for his love of gold. So there was a kingdom Phrygia and it was ruled by the king Midas. Name of the king was Midas. He had a daughter and a big kingdom. उसके क्या था एक डॉटर थी एंड उसका किंगडम था बहुत बड़ा एंड ही लव्ड हिज डॉटर द मोस्ट ही लव्ड हिज डॉटर वेरी मच he was known for his love of gold. He loved his gold also. He loved his daughter and gold also. Every day he would set aside all his work and eagerly count his gold coins. Every day वो क्या करता था अपना वर्क वगैरह सब कुछ साइड पर रख कर छोड़ कर एंड अपने जो गोल्ड को काउंट करता था जो गोल्ड के कॉइन्स थे. He used to count that coins daily. Eagerly means with great interest and enthusiasm. With great interest, he used to count his gold coins. He would only get up when he had finished counting. वो तभी उठता था जब उसकी काउंटिंग फिनिश हो जाती थी. All his coins. There was nothing that gave him more joy than watching his coffers swell up with gold. Coffer means a box or a vault for keeping money. Means a box or a vault where we keep the money. अपनी money जहाँ रखते हैं उसको बोलते हैं coffers. There was nothing that gave him more joy. और कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं जिससे उसे बहुत ज़्यादा joy मिलता था अच्छा लगता था than watching his coffers swell up with gold. कि उसका जो box था वो gold के साथ fill हुआ है. उसको वो देखने में बहुत मज़ा आता था. One day he was quietly counting his gold coins when he saw an old man sleeping peacefully under a tree in his garden. One day when he was counting his coins, he saw an old man sleeping under a tree in his garden. He knew the man. It was Silenus, a friend of Dionysus. Dionysus was the god of feasting. Dionysus was the god of feasting. Feasting means a large celebrity meal. He thought to himself, he is an important man to Dionysus. If I treat him well, Dionysus will gladly reward me. अब उसने सोचा कि ही इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट मैन टू डायनासिस. जो साइलेनस था ही वॉज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट मैन टू डायनासिस and he thought if he will treat him well that Dionysus will reward him. But first I should finish counting my coins. लेकिन वो पहले अपनी काउंटिंग फिनिश की उसने. As soon as he had counted all his coins, he sent his servants in service of Silenus. जैसे उसने अपनी काउंटिंग फिनिश की, he sent his servants in service of Silenus. Therefore Silenus became an honored guest in Midas palace. Silenus क्या बन गया? एक honored guest बन गया in Midas palace. Midas palace. Who was the king of Midas palace? Midas. Midas organized feast in his honor and every day there was a play or a performance for Silenus. Every day there was a play फॉर द साइलेंस. मीन्स उसने उसको बहुत अच्छी तरह उसका ध्यान रखा, उसको फीस्ट उसके लिए ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया. फीस्ट मीन्स एक खाना वगैरह सबके लिए ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया और उसको बहुत अच्छी तरह रखा वहाँ पर. दिस वेंट ऑन फॉर 10 days. फॉर 10 days के लिए उसने ऐसा ही किया. आफ्टर विच मिडास डिसाइडेड टू टेक हिम बैक टू डायनासिस. आफ्टर क्या हुआ उसके बाद? आफ्टर 10 days ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक हिम बैक टू द डायनासिस. He went to Dionysus court and proclaimed. वो Dionysus के कोर्ट में गया और वहाँ जाके उनको बोला, O mighty Dionysus, I bring to you your companion Silenus. He has stayed with us as an honored guest for 10 days. I hope his stay was comfortable. उसने बताया उसको कि ये जो साइलेनस है उनके पास रहा और उसने उसकी बहुत अच्छी तरह से उसका बहुत अच्छी तरह ध्यान रखा. Actually, he want some reward from Dionysus. That's why he treated Silenus very well to get the reward from Dionysus. Dionysus was pleased. Dionysus बहुत खुश हुआ, उसने तो होना ही था, because he treated him very well. You have treated Silenus well. He has returned to a safe and good health. We are pleased with your hospitality to Silenus. Tell us what to do you want. We will grant your heart's desire. अब डायनासिस बहुत खुश था तो उसने बोला कि बोलो तुम्हें क्या चाहिए. वी विल ग्रांट यू योर हार्ट्स डिज़ायर, में कि जो तुम्हें चाहिए वो तुम मांग सकते हो, जो तुम्हारी इच्छा होगी. योर डिज़ायर, डिज़ायर मीन इच्छा. उसकी हॉस्पिटैलिटी, हॉस्पिटैलिटी मीन्स काइंड एंड फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर. ही वॉज वेरी प्लीज विद द काइंड एंड फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर टू Silenus of Midas. So this was today. Next paragraph we will read it tomorrow. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day, kids.